Ever wondered if waxing your barely there hair is even worth it? Let's talk about why waxing isn't just for thick growth. It's about flawless skin and confidence, even when there's not much to wax. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted source for skincare that works. In this video, we'll guide you through your first waxing experience. Yes, even if your hair is light, thin, or barely visible. You'll learn what to expect, how to wax properly, and how to care for your skin afterward. Let's get started. Before waxing, timing is everything. Ideally, hair should be about 1/4 inch long, roughly the size of a grain of rice. But even shorter or finer hair can be removed with the right technique. Here's how to prepare for a smooth waxing session. First, cleanse your skin thoroughly. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin. Avoid using lotions or oils on the day of waxing. And always test the wax on a small patch of skin to check for irritation. These steps help reduce pain and prevent unwanted bumps or redness. Start by warming your wax according to the product's instructions. Use a wooden spatula to spread a thin layer in the direction your hair grows. Apply a wax strip firmly, leaving a small edge to grip. Hold your skin tight with one hand. With the other, pull the strip quickly in the opposite direction, close to the skin, not upward. Immediately apply pressure with your hand to soothe the area. For fine or short hair, hard wax is usually more effective than soft wax. It adheres to hair better and is gentler on sensitive skin. Repeat only once per section to avoid skin damage. Move on to the next area when the skin is calm and clean. Don't wax over the same spot multiple times. This can lead to irritation, bruising, or even broken skin. Never wax sunburnt or broken skin. Don't skip exfoliation. It helps prevent ingrown hairs. And always pull the wax strip parallel to the skin, not upward. After waxing, apply a soothing gel. Aloe vera is a great option. Avoid hot baths, saunas, or workouts for at least 24 hours. Tight clothes can irritate the freshly waxed area, so stick to loose-fitting outfits. Exfoliate gently 2 days later to prevent bumps or ingrown hairs. And always moisturize daily to keep your skin smooth and glowing. Even if your hair is barely there, waxing can reveal smoother, clearer skin. It's not about removing hair, it's about boosting your confidence. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to MTH Health. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a skincare tip that actually works. Your glow up starts now. See you in the next video.